Why is nobody talking about how Chinua Achebe fell in love with a student that came to interview him and finally got married to her? This is a photo of Chinua Achebe and Christy Achebe Nnokoli on their wedding day, 10th September 1961, at the Chapel of Resurrection, University of Ibadan, Western Region, Nigeria. The couple met at the Nigerian Broadcasting Service (NBS) Enugu in Eastern Region. Chinua Achebe was the controller of NBS Eastern Region at the time, while Christy was a student intern. According to Chinua Achebe, I quote, "I was told by my secretary that a delegation of university students wanted to speak with me about a matter of great importance. The students trooped into my office led by their leader, Christy Okoli. She was a beautiful young woman and very articulate. When she spoke, she caught my attention. I was spellbound. In grave tones, she announced the complaints of the students. There was one student whose salary was higher than all the others, and they wanted equal pay for equal time. I was kindly disposed towards them and made sure that all the students received the same pay for the work they did. My interest in Christy grew rapidly into a desire to get to know her better. I discovered, for instance, she was from the ancient town of Awka and the present-day capital of Anambra State. Awka held a soft spot in my heart because it was my mother's hometown, and it was known throughout Igbo land and beyond for its skilled artisans and blacksmiths who fashioned bronze, wood, and metal carvings of bold and haunting beauty. 2 years into our friendship, Christy and I were engaged." This is from the novel There Was a Country by Chinua Achebe. And this is to tell you that even great men fall in love. What do you think about Achebe's love story? Do you think that it is very unprofessional for him to fall in love with a student intern at his place of work? Tell me in the comments.